Hello, Mr. Man.
Yes, how are you?
What are you selling?
Okay. I have a super pack. I have everything and ever water.
Have you thought about who discovered Karika papaya?
One I can't remember up to that kind of name before.
So you don't know who discovered Karika papaya?
Can you explain more to me?
So you don't know?
I don't know about that.
Discover Karika papaya.
I'm on your one.
Okay, by the way, forget about that one. So give me 1,000 bags of ever water.
1,000 bags?
Yes.
Are you sure?
And I'm sure now. I want to shut down.
I never said this kind of market before.
Go inside there and give me what I asked you to give me.
But are you sure?
Go inside there and give me what I asked you to give me.
Are you sure?
Go inside there and give me what I asked you to give me.
Chai!
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Jesus!
Yeah! Jesus!
Okay, come. Ordinary indomie wey I say make I just take.
You are a criminal.
Ordinary indomie make I say make I just take. Light on dey disappear. Which one be this one now? You get luck. You get luck. Ordinary indomie wey I say I consider you dey disappear.
Come on, get out from this shop, this one.
I go damage your head if you not repent.